Hi guys, Namaste to all. I hope all you are doing well. So today we are doing Ashtang Vinayasa Surya Namaskar part 2. So let's get start. So first of all we have stand in Samasthiti, complete body relax, face relax. Now inhale, raise your hands up above the head, bend your knees, Utkatasana. Exhale, forward bend, both knees straight, head down, Uttanasana. Now inhale, chest up, head up, Urdhva Uttanasana. Uh, now jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana, like this. Bend your elbow. Inhale, raise your chest, toes flat, shoulder outside, chest up, look up. Urdhva Mokshwanasana. Now exhale. Tuck your toes in, heel down. Adho Mukshwanasana. Now inhale, take your right leg front in between your both palms. Now bend your right knee 90 degree and left leg, take your left leg 45 degree. Raise your hands, join your palms, Veerbhadrasana. Now both palm down. Exhale, right leg back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, raise your chest, keep your elbows straight, normal breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Shoulder outside, look up, tuck your toes, heel down. Adho Mukshwanasana. Now inhale, left leg forward in between your both palms. Bend your left knee 90 degree and take your right leg 45 degree and both hands up above the head and join your palms. Normal breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now both palm down, left leg back, exhale. Now Chaturanga Dandasana, bend your elbow 90 degree. Inhale, raise your chest, Urdhva Mukshwanasana, chest up, shoulder outside. Inhale, exhale. Now exhale, tuck your toes in. Adho Mukshwanasana. Hold this posture. 5 breaths. Focus on your navel. Inhale. Complete exhale. Inhale. Completely exhale. Inhale. Completely exhale. For inhale. Completely exhale. Last 5 inhale. Completely exhale. Now jump forward in between your both palms. Urdhva Uttanasana. chest up, and exhale down. Uttanasana. If possible, your abdomen touch on your thighs. Head down. Your maximum stretch, knees straight. Now inhale, raise your hands up above the head, bend your knees, Utkatasana. Now knees straight, Samasthiti. Now again. Now inhale, bend your knees, raise your hands up above the head, join your palms. Exhale, forward bend, your head toward the knees. Uttanasana, head down, knees straight. Inhale, chest up, look up. Urdhva Uttanasana. Now inhale. Now jump back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Bend your elbow 90 degree. And inhale. Raise your chest. Shoulder outside. Look up. Chest up. Urdhva Mukha Normal breath. And exhale. Tuck your toes in. If possible, heel down, touch your mat. Focus on your navel. Adho Mukha. Now take your right leg front in between your both palms like this. Bend your right knee 90 degree and take your left leg 45 degree. Both hands up. Join your palms. Veerbhadrasana. Normal breath. Inhale, exhale. You can hold in this posture. If possible, 10 seconds or 20 seconds every posture. And exhale. Both palm down. Now take your right leg back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Bend your elbow 90 degree and raise your chest. Inhale, look up. Urdhva Mukha. Shoulder outside, normal breath. Inhale, exhale. Hold. Inhale, exhale. Now tuck your toes in. Adho Mukha. Focus on your navel if possible. Your heel down, touch your mat. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can do 10 or 20 deep breaths in this posture. Now take your left leg front in between your both palms. Now bend your left knee 90 degree and right leg, take your right leg 45 degree. Both hands up. Veerbhadrasana. Again hold. Normal breath. Inhale, exhale. Complete inhale. Complete exhale. Now both palm down. Take your left leg back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Bend your elbow 90 degree. Contact your hips. Now inhale. Raise your chest. Urdhva Mukha. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Shoulder outside. Exhale. Tuck your toes in. Heel down. Touch your mat. Focus on your navel. Breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, knee straight, inhale, exhale, feel the good stretch. Now jump forward in between your both palms. Urdhva Uttanasana. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, knee straight, and exhale, forward bend, chest down, touch for your knees and head down. Uttanasana. Now inhale, raise your hands up above the head, bend your knees. Utkatasana. Hold this posture. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And relax. Samasthiti. So guys, we can start with 5 repetition, and later on we can increase up to 11 repetition for our complete body workout. So you can join my yoga family on this YouTube channel by pressing like, share and subscribe button, and don't forget hit the bell icon. So namaste to all, and thanks. Soon we will meet again in the new video. Namaste.